What's up YouTube? Oops. SP Authentic 0910 hockey. Let's see if we can't keep that Tavares mojo going that I've had previously. It's been pretty good for me so far. 24 packs, I'll just try and blast through as quick as I can and keep it in time. Ultimate Collection hockey will be good when it comes out. I guess they missed their coming and going day. Okay. Hemsky. Alright, so we got a. This is what the base look like. That's Evgeny Malkin base. The Penguins. And we got a Future Watch. Matteo Perrault, numbered 555999, obviously making it a 1 of 1. Alright, shit, at this rate I'm not going to get through this many packs, am I? Let's see how we go. Pronger, SP Essentials to 1999, Joe Thornton, Henrik Sedin, MVP. Ovechkin base in that pack. Nick Rash, or base. Still don't get why they don't just make this 12-pack product and, you know, they do what they do. Kopitar base. So we've got our first auto, it's Future Watch auto. Ben Ferreira, numbered to 999. Alright. We were hoping for Tavares, but looks like we're not gonna get it. So we'll have to hope for something else. Gomez Kovalchuk, we got SP Essentials Bobby Orr, number 221, 1999. This pack feels a little thicker, and it's not. Martin Brodeur. Hey, what's this? Hollow Effects. Alexander Ovechkin. Not sure what Hollow Effects are. I guess they're probably one per box or something. No mention of it on the pack. Richards and my favourite Jonathan Toews. World champion. Ovechkin Hollow Effects. Seems exciting. Stamkos, Weber, Miller, Kiprasov, Arnott. Oh, this feels thick. Holy smokes! That's a thick ass card in there. Let's save that one for the end. That's definitely a patch. That's thick. That's at least 6 cards thick. Oh yeah, looks like I got too excited with the Hollow Effects. Looks like you get a few. So it's Paul Kariya. They're not numbered or anything either, so guess they're just an insert. Oh, that's almost 5 minutes. I don't know how close I am to being halfway. Decoy. Simon Gagne. Feels like another fat pack. Should be another decoy. And it is Nordrick Nash. We've got Henrik Zetterberg Essentials to 1999. Wow. Got a few boxes in today. Upper Deck Black Baseball, Upper Deck Exquisite Baseball, and my favourite Allen and Ginter. We'll be busting those today. We'll be doing the baseball Neils on his way over. We're going to bust them then. And the Ginter will try and do something special for Spezza, Lidstrom. Excited to know what the patch is now. I only had one auto. Maybe the patch is an auto. Brassard, Coliano, Vanek, Berglund, and Zdeno Chara. If the Bruins really capitulated in the finals. Alright, what do we got? Carey Price, Johan Franzen, Alfredson, Niedermeyer, Kabibulin. Stone, Milan Hajduk. Then we got Brian Salcido, Future Watch. Martin Lewis, Claude Giroux. Hajduk, Ward, Roger, Tim Thomas. Oh, the doors bells rung. Oh, I'll try and get it all on the same vid. I'm trying to get it all on the same video.
What?
I'm doing a break.
You're doing great.
Yeah. Ilya Kovalchuk Essentials. Look how fat this card is.
What a hit.
I fucking got no idea what it is. I got about 2 minutes left. I gotta fucking get a wriggle on.
Suck YouTube.
So many packs. Blake Wheeler, Sedin, Marlowe, Kovalev.
What have you broken?
Just this, yeah.
Sick, I don't do hockey.
Because you're an idiot. Lundqvist. Then we've got Cam Neely. Essentials, numbered to 1999. So I'm guessing this should have an auto in it, this pack.
Patch auto.
No auto. So that means this fat fucking card should be an auto. The cat's come in because she knows it's good. Alright, let's hope it's Crosby Joe. Facoon, Fleury, Phil Cassell, Chris Stewart. Alright, which way are we going? Looks like we're going this way. Matt Blesh. Oh, you call that a patch? That's ridiculous. Future Watch, rookie order.
What it is.
Yeah, I don't know. 93 of 100. What hype for nothing? Oh well.